educational toys naman ang nakakatulong sa development ng toddlers. Ang naisipang gabing business ng ating kanegosyo na si Jennifer Asuncion. Paano nga ba i-sustain ang ganitong business? Alamin natin dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
I'm Jennifer Asuncion. One of our brands is an educational toy brand that caters to newborns to toddlers. I started noong 2019 kasi I was looking for mga educational toys kasi may anak akong by that time 1-year-old and medyo frustrated ako sa corporate work, so I wanted to have a sideline. Nung nag-start kami, in parallel ko siya ginagawa, business and yung corporate work. Then during pandemic, the middle of pandemic, that's when I decided na okay, hindi na kaya ng husband ko mag-isa. Need niya na tumulong ako. That's why nag-quit na ako sa work. Dati kami yung mismo nagpapack ng mga orders. So until 2 a.m., 3 a.m., nagpapack kami ng mag-asawa. Now, nag-try na kami mag-add ng manpower. More on, nag-supply kami sa mga mom and baby stores. So with the help of our toys, we can let them play on their own without the help of gadgets. So ayaw natin na masanay sila sa screen time. So gusto natin sila maglaro, mag-pretend play kung paano tayo dati. This one naman yung interactive reading pen namin. Recommended as early as 18 months above. So ano yung mga features dito? Meron siyang color sensor, and nursery rhymes, stories, and pampatulog.
Hello, I am Alalo Bunny. Let's be friends. Rattles.
So meron siyang rattle mode. Tapos ito yung color sensor.
Blue. Gray. Orange. Here we go! The wheels on the bus. Stormy. The Sleeping Beauty. Kangaroo. Blue. Potato. Bus.
Don't leave the stuff behind. Do you? The wheels on the bus.
L for lemon. T for tomato.
Mom's scrambled eggs with tomatoes is my favorite dish.
Ang baby toys or educational toys kasi parang nakakabata. So kami mismo parang na-enjoy din namin. Lalo na pag may mga new products, parang kami as parents, parang na-amaze kami na ang galing rin ng technology now. Yung effects of having our own business is siguro yung time. Kasi mas control namin yung time if we want to bring out the kids, spend time. Mas nasa-schedule namin kasi hawak namin yung oras. To aspiring entrepreneurs, just make sure lang na kung ano yung passion ninyo, alamin ninyo, tapos mag-focus kayo dyan, tapos mag-plan kayo na maigi. When you start, medyo mahirap talaga, basta don't lose hope, then eventually magiging okay rin yan.
L for lemon.
To fellow moms, hindi nyo malalaman kung hindi nyo susubukan. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo.